Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Here is me trying to get my act together, doing my second video in 3 days. Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, let's get to what's important, makeup. But first, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Okay, on my face, I have my project pan. I'm thinking it's about here. There's no way to tell and it's pissing me off. But today, because the last time I did my makeup with my ZC, maybe it was because, I don't know if you will have seen it yet or not. Maybe it's all on here. I looked like I had raccoon eyes. My blush was a little strong, so maybe that was it, maybe not. So instead of ZC, I used my LYS, which technically is a smidge dark for me. Hard to order online. Found my Ulta primer, but it doesn't smell or anything, and it felt fine. So maybe it's me, but here it's a little splotchy. So I don't know. It's got to be me because I don't know. Help. And this, my beautiful, beautiful palette, because I did not want to use pink blush because it's honey day. Gotta continue with these Colourpop shadows because I got, what did I say, 30? I gave one to my daughter, wild child, so maybe 29. I gotta recount. So last time I used honey, it was a tad bright. It was like, yeah. So I'm gonna try to tone it down a little bit today. Hold on a sec, because I was thinking of just sticking with these two colors, but I want to see, maybe add that mustard yellow. Yeah, see, what do you think of these three together? Yeah, there we go. I don't know. Because this is a little too dark to use in the crease as far as I'm concerned with these light shades. So maybe in the outer corner, and I still use this one. I don't want to give honey away because it's part of my monochromatic color palette thing. I feel like a hobbit. Wild Child was easy to give away because Lucky Penny was pretty much similar. Same, well, the nude one, Gone Coconuts, is also in that color story, but a lot lighter. I don't know. It was easy for me to give away Wild Child. I think the main reason was because there were so few shimmers in there. I think that's the main reason. I'm a shimmer girl. Give me shimmer, give me life. Oh, we should do that. We should do a protest. Give me shimmer, give me life. Shimmer is life. I don't think anybody would be able to figure out what the protest was about when it would simply be about, we need more shimmers. We don't need these palettes without shimmers. And palettes that have only one shimmer, you've got 10, you've got 11 shadows and one shimmer. You've got 5 mattes, one shimmer. There needs to be a proper ratio. If it's not half and half, it's got to be greater. Because you can blend shimmers for the most part into, not necessarily full mattes, but you can blend them. You can blend, but we need more shimmers in our life, and that is a fact. Now I am leaning on the side of using that brown on the outer corner. I know I'm wearing burgundy, that's just life. I'm at home, I'm not going anywhere. Yesterday I actually went somewhere, but it was too early for me to have put makeup on, and I've been up since 3 this morning, so I was actually planning on doing my makeup earlier for a change, and for some reason it's still around the same time. I don't know how that happens. Okay, so that's not going to build up any more than that. It just does not want to. And I can't force something that does not want to happen. So here we go, the Annette's Makeup Corner way. I'm not putting anything in my waterline because my waterline's been my eyes have been very watery. Okay, so my favorite #1 from Riffer. I think that might work. It would probably look better with glitter glue, but as I said, I'm home. I'm not gonna bother with, I keep saying I'm not, and then look at me do. I should keep my mouth shut and just do. It's almost like when I say I won't, my brain is actually taking it as a must do. I was looking for my NYX. I'll find it the second I stand up. Okay. I was gonna do a matte up here, but I can't find it. Not mad about doing fairy dust, I'm just mad at not being able to find my NYX. Just found it. You move things around, you organize things around, and then the next day you forget. So, I shall return. I'm definitely a fairy. I've got a fair bit of fallout. Oops. I did put a lot on my brush. I have that bad habit of doing that. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on my Catrice Stay 8 Hour Lip Liner in Just Perfect. I really cannot put a pink. I could put my orange lipstick on, but I'm wearing burgundy. Let's not push it. So it's going to be a nude, which is fine. Wish it was an excuse to wear red today, but it's not. So Ilia Project Pan since last year. Still have some left. Just checking. I have to check every now and then. So, and this is gonna come beside me while I hopefully try to catch up on some editing, because there's a few videos on here. I've got a sleeping mask and a balm that I am using many times a day, and my lips, I could peel them off right now. I'm not gonna gross anybody out, but I could peel off. One thing I haven't worn in a while, it's almost done. That's as high as it goes. I'm gonna have to like scoop it out. I can feel the metal on my lips. We are almost there. Just a millimeter right there at the bottom. Yeah, that's not the color of it. Yeah, no can see, but that's the color. Just shimmer, just absolute shimmer. Look at how pretty that is. It doesn't look like there's something on it, but it almost looks like I added a little bit of gloss. A nude to go with my slightly less canary yellow. I'm still canary yellow, no matter what. Thunder. sound effects. Canary yellow, boom, boom, boom. I need lunch. Blood sugar's down. Ah, good grief. So, honey, another one on the list has been done. And unless I wear a costume that requires yellow, I don't think I need to use it anymore. I'm done with yellow. I'm not a fan, never really have been. Yellow was my mother's color. She loved it. So if you like it, good for you. I like pink. Love pink. I love purple, but not on my eyes. That's a whole other, we won't go there. We all need to see people. Thank you, everybody, as I need to stop babbling. Thank you once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Let's be friends. A bientôt.